I've got my Scentsy Whiff Box for the month of February. So if you want to see what this month's theme is, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe and Bandit and Dexter are all in the other room, but if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. We do all kinds of unboxings, unbaggings, get ready with me's, beauty content, fashion content, mystery bags, all kinds of stuff like that. So if you're into that kind of thing, please consider hitting that subscribe button. It is totally free. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So Scentsy puts out a whiff box. Every month there is a different theme, and it's always useful things. Like sometimes there are cleaning supplies, and there's some of the nicest smelling cleaning supplies. So I've kept this because I'm getting very useful things that like I'm needing, you know, like laundry soap stuff, or the scent beads for my laundry, or spray cleaner. So this does tend to have a lot of useful items. You know, I love my beauty boxes. I have reduced that a little bit, only because I have so much beauty stuff. And then I'm going to show you this box of naughtiness in the video I tape next with Ipsy, because I'm just incorrigible sometimes. Oh, okay. So this month, this is the picture, which gives you like a little idea as to what that theme kind of is. And I want to show you that little sneak peek, because what we're seeing right here is one of their little burners that you plug in to your a wall outlet, which is so nice. I love when I get one of these kinds of things in here. This is the Soaring Hearts. Now, this did come in probably right around Valentine's Day. And usually they're like a month ahead. So like usually in January we would get any kind of Valentine's Day themed stuff. So I'm surprised that this did come in February, but look at how stinking cute that is. That picture just did not do it justice. So adorable. So there's the, I'm not going to take all this out because I am going to pack it away for next year. But here's that little plug. So, you know, you're going to plug it into the wall. It'll stand like this, and then you can put your wax in there. And one of the things I wished that they would have is like the Happy Wax has those silicone molds that you can put in there so that the wax doesn't, you know, get all over the place, right? It doesn't get stuck in there. They don't have those, but they do have these like cotton pads. They're not really usable, obviously. They're like big, giant, overstuffed cotton balls that you soak up all of the stuff in, which is like, that is a nice thing. The first time I got one, I was like, what in the world is this? And I was like, oh, okay, that's pretty useful. But I'll tell you that sometimes I just take the silicone molds from the Happy Wax warmers for like this size. I would use their wall plug-in ones and put it in there. It's just kind of easy. But if you're watching from Scentsy, we would like that. All right, next we have a body wash in Pink Berry Sandalwood. Now, I'm not always a sandalwood fan. Oh, that's nice though. I like that. Okay, so again, this is useful. Like, we wash our bodies every day, and there's several of us in the house. Next, now this is so cute. This is their Together Forever scent, and look at that. They do have a Disney license, so this is a licensed Disney product. Oh, it smells like strawberries and champagne. It does not have the scent notes on there, but that's what I would say. I would like, yeah, I would like more of this. I would definitely reorder that particular scent. And then we have the Magnolia and Manila Woods. This is nice. It definitely has a little bit more of a musk scent, but not bad. Like, I would definitely burn this. The Magnolia isn't overbearing. So sometimes Magnolia, as much as I love it, it can be very overbearing when it's in a scent, whether it's a wax brick or a perfume or whatever it is, sometimes it gets overwhelming. It's not that warm woods breaks it down, but I feel like there's almost like a little bit of a vanilla in there as well. Let's see what it says. I think I saw lemony, so maybe that's, didn't smell citrusy, but that could have been what I was, lemon, magnolia, and sandalwood. Okay, so it must have been the lemon, but it gave me more of a vanilla vibe. Okay, so that's what's in this month's box. What do you guys think? I think I'm pretty happy. I mean, this did come in a little bit late for it to be seasonal, but I have a box of, like, I have different seasons, different large Rubbermaid tubs with blankets, pillows, you know, little tchotchkes that you put out, stuff like that. So it's going to go in there, so I definitely get it out next year in a timely manner. This year we really didn't do much because we're planning on a move, so we kind of just left things as they are. And I mean, I still have, I'm ashamed to say, I still have like little autumn signs up from Dollar Tree in the window. So there's that, yeah. But next year, or actually later on this year, will be a different time, hopefully. And maybe you'll see a different background. All right. Well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Tell me your thoughts about this box. And please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. It really helps our channel grow, and we appreciate it so much. And hopefully, we'll see you soon.